नमस्कार प्रिय दर्शकों, आज हम आ गए हैं सीपी के अंदर और आज मैं लोगों से पूछने वाला हूं कि क्या सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स फ्री होने चाहिए, क्योंकि आई थिंक मेंस्ट्रुएशन कोई चॉइस नहीं होती औरतों के लिए, इट्स जस्ट अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस एंड मैनी women in our country cannot afford to have sanitary napkins or tampons or sanitary pads. So let's ask people, should they be made free by the government or not? Should sanitary napkins for women be free of cost?
Free of cost, of course, for the poor people it can, because some girls and women can't afford to buy them. So it's a good idea. You can free that.
It's a necessity.
It's a necessity. It's a basic thing. If government is going to do that, it will be very good for a country like us where many women and many girls can't afford to buy. So it will be hygienic for them and for our country as well. So I think it's a good thing to do.
If she minds, then I mind. If she minds, then I mind. If she minds, then I mind. It should be, yeah, it should be free.
You have to answer.
So about what?
It's about free sanitary napkins. Should government allows free sanitary napkins to females?
You're talking to me?
Of course, government should do it. It's a very nice, good step, I think. Because like people from the local background and backward people and below poverty, BPL people, they can't afford it, so they go for unhygienic methods. So it's very necessary to maintain the hygiene of the country, and women are the future of country, so they need to be like in hygienic conditions. So for that sense, yeah, government should go for it.
Yeah. Just like vending machine, the condoms are free. It should be, yeah.
He's right. It should be free.
You are also a girl, so I think you can also answer. Never mind. Both of you can answer in monotony. It doesn't matter. Okay, just a question. Okay, so the question I'm asking is, should sanitary napkins for women be free of cost?
Tell him.
What?
Yeah, of course it should be free, because that is a basic necessity for us, for women, and there are some girls those cannot afford, especially in the rural area. So I think it should be free.
Yeah, government should do allow that sanitary napkins to the ladies, because they really needed it. I'm the one who can afford it and I buy it. But sometimes you need to change sanitary napkin 3 times a day. What do you do if you don't have napkin? Yeah, that's the issue, and it's a natural process. You can't control it, you can't stop it.
Tell him, come on.
So shy, it's like
Yeah,
okay.
No?
You have to say
Any such, backing for your answer or something?
You have to say something.
No, not at all.
Okay. Ma'am, you.
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm busy in...
Drinking lemonade.
It's already over.
No.
It's still there. Okay.
She isn't taking air.
But just give us an objective answer, yes or no.
I don't want to give any opinion on that.
Okay, it's as if it's something very unnatural. So, okay.
I don't think so.
I mean, it's as per hygiene level, it should be made available to those who cannot afford it. That's what I feel.
Yeah, if possible. कहीं तुम हार गया तो तुम हमको ट्रिपल टैक्स यानी 3 गुना लगा देगा.
If they can't afford it, so obviously for them it should be free. Yeah, it should be.
But there are many rural women who cannot afford sanitary napkins.
Yeah, for them it should be free. They should be taught this hygiene levels, because they are using cloth and all, which is not good. And I think there is one man who tried bringing very sanitary napkins with a very minimum budget, and he's making it available. Probably, I don't remember his name right now, but people can search it. And I think yes, it should be made free, especially to people who cannot afford it. Thank you.
So ये थे लोगों के विचार about free sanitary napkins being made available to females. आपके क्या विचार हैं आप हमें बता सकते हैं इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। अगर आप हमारे विचार जानना चाहते हैं तो हाँ यार, दे शुड बी अवेलेबल बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑब्वियस रीजंस दैट मेनी फीमेल कैन नॉट अफोर्ड इट येट। If you have any point of view on this topic, please comment in the comment section below. Till then, you can like our other videos, comment, share and subscribe. TV screen पे देखो वीडियोस होंगी, यहाँ पे एक सब्सक्राइब का बटन होगा, वो दबा दो। यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो आएगी और मैं यहाँ पे लगाने की कोशिश करूँगा यहीं कहीं पे। तो प्लीज़ यार और वीडियोस देखो, सब्सक्राइब करो। पीस आउट।